Children, in the last session of EVS part 2, we learned the lesson number 2, that is the work of the sense. As I have explained you what is the meaning of sense. Okay, so let's go through it. Today in this we are going to learn about some important sense. Sri Chakradhar Swami. Sri Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince from Gujarat. That means he belonged to Gujarat. He became an ascetic. That means he started worshipping the god and came over to Maharashtra. He did not believe in any discrimination based on gender or caste. That means he did not believe in the discrimination. That means he was not making a difference among the people on the basis of gender or a caste. Gender, that means male or a female, and a caste यानी जो जाति होती है उसके ऊपर से. The sect he established is known as a Mahanubhav sect. When he wrote Leela Charitra, Sant Namdev was a great devotee of Vittal. He lived in the village Narsi. He composed numerous songs in the praise of God. Sant Namdev was great devotee of Vittal. Vittal is the name of one of the god. Here you can see the image of this, and he is a Namdev. He composed numerous, many songs. Composed means likhna, written in praise of a god. Performed kirtans. Kirtans, that means the song and the stories based on the religious theme. He instilled in them the desire to protect their religion. So he created the desire, यानी इच्छा उनके मन में जागृत किया, so they can protect their religion. वो उनके religion को protect कर सके. So now the next we are going to learn about Sant Jnaneshwar. Here you can see the picture of Sant Jnaneshwar. Sant Jnaneshwar's family belonged to Apegaon. यानी वो आपेगांव से बिलोंग आपेगांव में रहते थे. निवृत्तिनाथ and सोपानदेव were his brothers. यानी निवृत्तिनाथ और सोपानदेव उनके भाई थे. मुक्ताबाई was his sister. He spread the message, give equal treatment to all, help those in trouble and allay their misery. We have seen the meanings of all this. Give equal treatment to all, यानी सबको समान ट्रीटमेंट देना है. Help those in a trouble, यानी जो प्रॉब्लम्स में उनको हेल्प करो. And allay that means try to reduce, यानी उनका जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है वो कम करने. Their misery that means their problems. Jnaneshwar wrote his outstanding book Jnaneshwari in Marathi. So Jnaneshwar जो थे उन्होंने ज्ञानेश्वरी लिखी, वो भी मराठी में. At a very early age, at Alandi near Pune, Jnaneshwar took samadhi. यानी ज्ञानेश्वर ने समाधि ली. समाधि यानी जिंदा ही खुद को दफनाना. That is called as a samadhi. Next sant is Sant Eknath. Sant Eknath carried on the work started by Sant Namdev and the Sant Jnaneshwar. He preached that the way to reach God was through devotion, that is a bhakti mark. यानी अगर आप डिवोशन वर्शिप करोगे, if you worship a God, then you will reach to the God. He is Sant Eknath. Now we are going to learn about Sant Tukaram. Here you can see the picture of Sant Tukaram. In this picture you can see many people are gathered together. Here even Shivaji Maharaj is there. So Tukaram Maharaj was belonged to Shivaji Maharaj period. Sant Tukaram and Ramdas were living in Shivaji's time. Tukaram came from Dehu near Pune. So Sant Tukaram was from Dehu. Dehu is the name of the village. Tukaram drowned in the river Indrayani all the record of loan papers he had. Loan papers, that means his grandfather. यानी उनके जो ग्रैंडफादर थे उन्होंने कई सारे लोगों को लोन दिया था, पैसे उधार दिए थे और उसके पेपर्स उनके पास जमा थे. सो उन्होंने क्या किया, ड्रोन यानी डुबा देना. इन द रिवर इंद्रायणी जो नदी थी उसमें उन्होंने सारे पेपर्स डुबो दिए. Now next we are going to learn about Samarth Ramdas. Here you can see the picture of Samarth Ramdas. Ramdas, it means the servant of Ram, and Ram is the god. Ramdas was born at Jam on the banks of the Godavari in Marathwada. So Jam is the name of the place, it's the name of a village. Bank of the Godavari, that means Godavari किनारे पे village है. It is and Godavari river is in Marathwada. His birthday falls on a Ram Navami, यानी उनका जो बर्थडे आता है वो राम नवमी पे आता है. यानी द डे व्हेन राम वॉज बोर्न। नारायण वॉज हिज रियल नेम, यानी इनका रियल नेम क्या था, नारायण, बट आफ्टरवर्ड्स ही called himself as a Ramdas and the servant of a Ram. That means servant of Rama. Then he wrote a book that is a Dasbodh, and then a Manache Shlok. Manache Shlok means the stanzas addressing to the mind. To popularize the worship of strength, यानी ताकत होना चाहिए वो, और हम लोगों को उसके साथ इनजस्टिस से फाइट करने आना चाहिए. So he raised the temples of Hanuman. Hanuman is also the name of a lord, and he was a devotee of Ram. So such a way this sense brought great awakening among the people about their religion, and it helps Shivaji Maharaj in his fight for Swaraj.